Halo, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to FOREX Indicator channel. Happy New Year 2024. Sorry, I'm bilang time send a latest a video because I'm busy. Okay, this time I want to discuss which is called Diamond Pro. To make a clear, I give to my bot.
Diamond Pro is enhanced powerful version of Diamond for advanced traders. Pro version includes optimized cores, new improved entry points filters, new multi-stage profit closure algorithm and contains number of external control parameter that allows build and fine-tune own trading decisions and algorithms. The system provides more accurate market entries, analyzes and filters upcoming economic news, contains spread protection and an advanced position management algorithm. Main goal of Diamond Pro system is more safe and higher trading performance. After installing and configuring Expert, it works in fully automatic mode. Key features: advanced trading algorithm, accurate entry point filter, increased trading performance, extended parameters list for fine-tune up, multi-stage profit closing algorithm, fully automatic trading mode, money management system, flexible economic news filter, high spread protection, days and time filters. Main requirements: terminal MT4, ECN account, minimum deposit $200, pairs, Eurus, timeframe H1 stable and fast VPS. Diamond Pro install. Setup news filter. Attach Diamond Pro to the chart of recommended trading pair. Press load button and apply suitable .set file. Allow live trading and turn on auto trading button at top panel of terminal. News filter setup. Go to terminals menu, tools greater than options greater than expert advisors. Allow web requests and add to the list news calendar link. https://solcal2.forexprostools.com. At server GMT parameter, set your broker GMT value. Please note, news filter is great protection and it works only at live trading. Okay, we will continue to backtesting EA Diamond Pro. For those who need the EA file and EA preset specifically for EURUSD, it's in the description column. The password is in the video. Thanks, enjoy.